Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic of discussion is 5G, the fifth generation of mobile networks. So we will learn what is 5G, why is it needed, and some more technical details about 5G. So 5G is the next major phase of the mobile industry beyond 4G, which has ruled for a decade now. So 5G is designed to meet the very large growth in the data and connectivity demand of our today's modern society, and it is believed that 5G would fulfill the 4A paradigm, that is anywhere, anytime, at any rate, and affordable. We are believing it that it would fulfill all four of these, especially the fourth one. And hence now we move to why is there a need of 5G? Are we not satisfied with the 4G speed, or is it something lagging behind in 4G that is not that would be not in 5G? So we want to handle the data growth and deliver that data at a lower cost per bit. We also want that data we are getting is affordable, is cheap to us. So first thing is that. The second thing is that we need to power up our IoT as well, that is Internet of Things. We not only want our phones to be smart, we also want our city, our world to be smart. So with the powering up of IoT, it brings greater speed to the connectivity, not only to mobile phones, but to smart devices like sensors, vehicles, robots, drones, etc. Especially it would hit the telemedicine and autonomous vehicles, and it would show results there. Already we know that 5G is expected to deliver up to 100 times faster speed than 4G. The third point is that we need to improve the national security as well. So national security for with 5G is that with 5G it comes 256-bit encryption of the network, which was 128-bit encryption in terms of 4G, which is a substantial improvement, and hence it is believed that it would also increase the national security and it would mitigate the privacy threats. So more things about 5G is that there would be an increase in the network capacity. The network capacity is basically the amount of traffic, amount of devices that the network can hold. The 4G could handle only up to 1 lakh devices at a moment, but with 5G it could support around million devices per square kilometer. So which is huge improvement. And why is there improvement? Why the network can hold more? We will learn in the next slide. So with the network capacity being increased, there is an estimate that the download rate would be around 20 Gbps, while there would be upload speed of 100 Gbps. Let's see. And with increased bandwidth, which I was telling you, that bandwidth is basically the range of frequencies that are being assigned to a signal, and with 4G it is assigned two range frequencies. First is the lesser than 6 gigahertz, which is already well occupied by the 4G spectrum, and now we are giving the frequency range 2 that is greater than 24 gigahertz to the 5G, which is millimeter wave spectrum, and hence if there is a new spectrum, hence it could support new devices as well. So 5G speeds in the millimeter wave spectrum and has the more abundant bandwidth, and a greater frequency could be achieved by 5G. Now there's also a reduced latency. That is a very good thing, because latency is basically the lag between our command and the response time by our device. Like for example, if I'm googling something and I want to search, I'm seeing some research paper, and the time it's slow to see that is basically the latency. So that would get improved in terms of 5G. With 4G network, there was an average latency of 50 milliseconds, while that in 5G it is expected to drop to 1 milliseconds, and it is insane. And let's see what it is. And this is a speed test done by some some girl which is in Chicago, and she conducted this test beneath the 5G node, and hence you can see the results. Now, if you liked my video, do subscribe and like this video and be a support to me. Thank you.